Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download the Kone XP Air module in the ROCCAT Swarm app. To do it, you can see that I have my mouse connected and it shows up here, but it has an exclamation mark, and that means that I need to download the module. So to download the module, just click on the mouse, then it will show you this screen right here, and click on Auto Updater. Then click on download, and now wait a moment until everything updates. Now click on install. Then it will quit the app for a moment and reopen it. And now I'm connected. I can click on next. Okay, got it. And now you can see that I can manage the app. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.